the meth. You know how we do.
Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. As you have seen that we have booked almost 43k in our trade, where we have sold put options and made 43,000. Let's go to analysis part now. Now you can see here at this level we have booked our positions. Let me change that. At this level we have booked our positions. Now I will tell you why we have booked positions at this level only and where we have created our positions. When market opened huge gap up, it is at all-time high. When market opened above all-time high and it created some volatile move till here. Now we have created our bullish position at this level. The reason behind is this was a resistance area from where it took support exactly. Now we expected that market won't break this level. If it breaks this level, we book our loss here. Now our next part is if market opens gap up or sideways, it will be halting in this range only as market is bullish trend. You can see here, let me show you on 1 hour time frame. Market was in clearly bullish trend, right? It is making higher highs and higher lows clearly. So we expected that market is in uptrend, and the second part is market is taking support from previous resistance level. These are the two reasons where we have created our put credit spread by selling our put options. Now when market opened at this sideways and it took support from exactly support area. Now it gave a good rally over here. When it reached this resistance level, we have booked our positions and closed our trade at this level only. This is the trade logic behind our trade where we have booked 43,000. I hope you like the video and you like the analysis. Please like the video, share with your friends and comment down if you have any queries and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.